Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Firefox that has been released. Firefox 139 is now available. If you go to your Firefox browser, upper right corner for hamburger menu, go down to the Help and About Firefox. You'll be pushed to version 139.0. So a few things in here that are going to have changed and will be rolling out in a near future is the fact that you have new custom wallpapers that have a celestial theme to it. That is coming. So celestial theme will be coming. And also there will be a new feature coming soon that when you hover over links, you will have a preview and a AI summary. This is rolling out. You can turn it on if you want in the labs feature, but it's going to roll out slowly within the next weeks, and hopefully it'll be interesting to see what is in there. They also have changed a feature where if you were to import a PNG image with transparency, well, that transparency would be gone. Now it is kept when you actually paste into Firefox. Upload performance of HTTP 3 has been significantly improved. And a reminder that because Chrome now encrypts user data on Windows, the Firefox migration wizard can no longer directly import payment methods or passwords from Chrome. You have to export them from Chrome, then import them into Firefox. It's a two-step now rather than having just one step. Apart from that, security fixes, and there's actually one that could or seems to be maybe a 0-day. It's a critical flaw. So this is important, but total there is 11 security fixes in Firefox. So it's extremely important to update to 139 to at least get the security fixes. And like I said, one of them is critical, and it is a double free in a library, VPX library encoder. So basically, it will create a memory corruption, and that could be potentially exploited within that crash. So critical means that it's very important, and it probably also means that it might be exploited in the wild. So check it out. Make sure that you update. Firefox 139 is now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.